Kasi ako, mga kabatas natin, as a trial lawyer, nakita nyo naman, I don't dare question yung mga tao kung ilan ang kaso na hinawakan nila, ilan ang panalo, ilan ang talo. Kapag ako lang ang kine-question, doon lang ako sumasagot. Because I know for a fact that that is not how it works. Yung layman lang o yung hindi trial lawyer, kahit abogado, ang nagsasabi ng ganyan. Maraming panalo, maraming talo. You know why? Because we all know that not all cases are winnable. Maraming kaso, matatalo ka, at alam mo nang matatalo ka sa umpisa, pero gusto mo lang makuha yung tamang hustisya. Tamang pataw, tamang desisyon. And that is also the role of the lawyer. It's not about kung talo o panalo. It's about delivering justice whichever side you are on or you are with.